Hello traders, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. Before I begin, I would like to say that to God be the glory, that God gave me the right advice to give to you. And I did not steer you wrong, and I'm thankful. There are 4 issues I will address in this video. First, price action recap. Second issue, what should you do if you are sidelined without a position? Third, what should you do if you already have a long position? And the fourth issue is what's coming next. So if we will quickly recap price from the low at 25k, price increased more than 44%. This black diagonal trend line is the trend line, an extension of the trend line of the January 2023 rally, and you can see the power of diagonal trend lines. They act as support and resistance. They are very strong and you should pay attention to it. Now obviously we are going to have some sort of a pullback. I don't think it's going to be a significant pullback just yet. You should pay attention to the 33k level, which is a very important level, which I discussed many times in the past, and it could act as support. Or if it fails, pay attention to the 31,850 level. I believe that price will bounce either from the 33k or from 32k. Now what should you do if you are sidelined? If you are sidelined, in my opinion, and I say this as a swing trader, I'm not a scalper, my best advice to you is to sit tight and wait. These things happen. If riches are from God, okay, and if it's yours, it's yours. Don't try to get into marginal positions, long or short. Wait for clarity, and if you are sidelined, just sit tight and wait for conditions to be more obvious. What should you do if you already have a long? If you are already exposed and you want to add to your position, you are in a very good spot. Why? Because if you will enter or if you will add to your position in these support levels, you will be less sensitive if price goes below support. So for example, if you enter at 33 and you are already long from 28, then your average buying price will be at around 31k. So you will have the ability to endure if price goes below support, and you will not lose your position and you will not panic. I will look to add to my positions between 32 to 33k. Now what's coming next? I hope some of you follow me on X or Twitter, because I posted it yesterday before the pump. This is a fractal of Bitcoin's price action from January to June of this year. The common theme between the two impulses up were a price appreciation of over 50%, 55% before any significant pullback. And this should guide us here as well. Yes, I think we will have a pullback, but I don't think that this impulse up is over yet, and my target is after more than 50% appreciation, I will look for signs of exhaustion, bearish divergences on the RSI to enter a short. What we had in the previous impulses up was more than a 50% up and around a 20% correction. So I will try to ride these waves, and my target is 37k. 37,700. This is where I think the shorts will have the best opportunity for success. However, you should all remember at the moment the market is in shock. The US market have not responded to this price appreciation yet. They are still asleep in the United States, and when they will wake up, and when New York opens today at around 2 o'clock UTC, we will have more clarity. If you ask me, my opinion is that everyone will try to short this, and all the short sellers are going to get wrecked, and then they are going to long it when it's too late, and they are going to get wrecked again. This is why, in my opinion, if you are sidelined, the best solution for you is to wait for clarity, and remember that all the richness and everything good in life comes from God, and if it's yours, it's yours. If not, then not. Sit down and wait. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps you. I wish you all the best, and I will see you in the next video.